Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, let me start Unit 4A pre-reading lesson.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
look at the screen carefully. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have to say words related to this picture. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Again, you observe the screen. Now, start saying one by one.
Okay,
You.
sir.
You. Start.
Garden, children,
Next.
bowl, flowers.
Okay, very good. You have answered in a good manner. Look at the screen and learn a few more words related to pre-reading as well as reading lesson. Okay, children?
Yes,
Now
sir.
look at the screen and listen to me carefully. I am going to read for you.
Yes, sir.
Garden, children, digging, planting, watering, sapling, pipe, put, bowl, flowers, fencing, pot, water, seeds, root, sow, pour, soil, flower, butterflies, bees. Okay, children. Now you have to read one by one. You start.
Garden, children, digging, planting,
Next.
watering, sapling, pipe, put, bowl,
Next.
flowers, fencing, pot, water,
Stop. Next. You.
seeds, root, sow, pour,
Next.
soil, flower, butterflies, bees.
Very good. You all answered in a good manner. That means you have read in a good manner. Okay, now you have to answer questions based on this picture. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now, first question for you. Whom do you see in the picture?
A boy and girl.
Very good. Answer for you. A boy and girl. Okay, next question for you. Where are the children?
In the garden.
Very good. In the garden is answer. Next question for you. What are they doing? Okay. Answer for you. Digging, watering and planting. Okay. Next question for you. Name some things from the picture.
A pipe, bowl and a spade.
Very good. Next question for you. Have you ever planted a sapling? Share your experience with class. Okay? Yes. Answer is yes. I planted a rose plant in my school garden. Okay, children, you have answered in a good manner. You learn these words and spellings, question and answers. Okay, children. Bye.
Bye, sir.